How to add and switch between multiple accounts on Facebook app. You can add and switch between multiple accounts on the Facebook app easily, and here is how to do it. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. And once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section of Facebook. So basically, we need to log out of this Facebook in order to add or switch between another one. Now, scroll down and there you will get to see log out option available. Tap on it and confirm the logout. Now, after logging out, you can see there is another profile option available on my screen. I can simply tap on it and switch the profile. But if you do not have any other profile available on your login screen, then you can tap on the another profile option available there and log into your Facebook account. Tap on the use another profile. Now enter your login address and all you have to do is log into your Facebook account. And now you can log out and switch between accounts accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.